Hi, it's John. Now, I've been doing a little series on relative truth, absolute truth, that sort of thing. I'm doing it in a sort of uninformed sort of way. I don't really know much about it. But one of the issues that has come up is the problem of definition. And there really is a problem with definition. And Cupid's world is not really unfeasible. This problem where nothing can be defined. Now let me take an instance. Now with my chickens, obviously I have rather a lot of cockerels that are bred. You know, can't all be pullets. Science hasn't worked out a way of just having female chicks hatch, so I have to do something with the cockerels, and we generally just eat them. I kill them and we eat them. Now, if I viewed, I can reason in my mind about what I'm doing. The reasonable thing to say is that they've had a good life, good at life. I'm not going to make them suffer unduly. I'm not going to shock their brothers and sisters by letting them witness the event. And here's the good one. I can justify myself with is I can say to myself that they're going to go on to become a better creature. You know, like the Hindu idea. They could be going on now to become a sort of a human being, or a very like Einstein or something like that. That there is a soul, there is a spirit, and their spirit is going to continue. Right. So say I've reasoned that in my mind, and I can justify myself. Somebody else comes along, looks at what I'm doing, and says, "Oh, you're a very cruel man. How can you do such a thing?" Or whatever they come along with. You see what I mean? The same event depends on how one has sort of reasoned things in one's mind. I mean, if we took something a little bit more serious, like the Holocaust, what must have happened with Nazis? They must have really believed that they were a super race, and that the Jews were a sort of virus on the face of the earth. And I mean, or other. You know, they must have reasoned in some way, and each person must have reasoned, satisfied in their own mind what was happening, what they were doing. Definition is a real issue. You know, even the smallest things. You know, what is art? You know, we have to define what is art and what is rubbish. You know, in a art gallery nowadays, the cleaner often clears away the artwork because they think it's rubbish. You know, an ashtray full of dog ends. I would go with the cleaner myself. So definition is a real problem and an issue. Right, bye for now.